Uvumba.
This is and make now organize World War Summits every year. Onye mara elulo iji okwu na okwu na-aba ife anyị ga-abịata mmadụ na ndị agbara okwu nke abụọ nke izizi ọrụ nke Igbo kwahara fa-na-eme ije na dọọ na geeti ebe a na ị ga-afụ chancellor of this university ebe ọ nọ na-coordinate n'ọrụ na-ajụ onye ọbụla bịara ike omeni ife a ka bịa ebe a ka asị na ọbụla ihe mere ekwu okwu n'onye wetara ife eji n'isi okwu ọ na-atụ ya ka anyị gaba n'ihu anyị bịa taata ya na ndị mahadum a led by their vices wee rụọ nnukwute ụlọ karịrị nke anyị n'ime sịlọ ndị Igbo si wee nkụzibe maka ife gbasara Igbo si anyị wee mmemme mitin ana m enye ya ugwu a na tupu m arịtuere ọkwa ya next one year ma ọha na eze ga-abịa ebe a mee mitin ugboro biko ndị a na-eme summit a fenyere ọha na eze aka n'ụzọ pụrụ iche ife niile anyị na-ede United Nations other world organizations like the EU and the AU and ECOWAS iji na-egosi ife a na-eme anyị n'obodo a nsụkọtakwaba anyị nsọ aka ọzọ maka na ya na-agbalụ n'afịa ife niile anyị na-ede ọ bụ ndị a na-ede kpokọtacha dịka onye akwụkwọ isiokwu ebe a ndị n'obodo ọrụ falụ jee n'obodo ebe ụlọ ọrụ fụwa onye ọcha na ọtọ mara ife o ji eke odebe ọfọma na chịkọtacha alụ ma olie ka ndecha anya fasịlụ afa maka na ndị Igbo niile mara ife decha ife si ndị variva na-ebu echu nta ọ na masa ya mere nwa ife wepụtara m aba mana ife afa na-ede amụtara mkpụrụ dị iche iche onye ka tinye ego mgbodo anyị ọ na-watch list maka ife a na-eme how can the president of Nigeria go to Egypt and announce at an international arena, not even before the floor of the National Assembly, that every African who wants to come to Nigeria is free to come? What are the immediate implications of this? Now, there are Muslims on the periphery of our border who have waged the war against Nigeria under the banner of Boko Haram, using all kinds of support from international terrorist organizations, maiming and killing our soldiers and our civilians, hoisting their flags in various local government areas in Borno and Adamawa states, deposing traditional rulers and local government councils, treasonable acts. We have now opened the borders for them to come in as ordinary civilians and then permeate every nook and corner of our country and begin the real insurgency in all sectors of Nigeria. Does it make sense? No. Number two, even in our sub-regional records, there is a protocol of movement, which is a treaty of records, which has no national application until it is adopted by the National Assembly and enacted as a law. Can the president of a democratic country suddenly subject a protocol that was adopted and enacted as a law as something a mere presidential declaration can cancel? It only requires the National Assembly to repeat that law for it to work. And without it sitting, our borders have been open to them. There must be some other objective. The objective is to Fulanize Nigeria. And we say what? No! Never in our lifetime will it happen. Let the world go out there. We are not afraid. And let no one take us for granted. We've been subjected to a similar situation in the past. But today, we are not just the only ones being subjected. The South is occupied, the Southwest is occupied, the Middle Belt is maimed every day. And not one of them is being prosecuted in any of our courts. But our children have been declared as terrorists. So they have been detained for how long? And Dasuki has been detained for 4 years without trial. This is not a country with jungle justice. Thank God there are so many of us who can now yet. But we have shown our confederates in Yoruba and the rest of Nigeria that when you believe in something, God gives you an extra space. We landed food, drugs, and ammunition in Uli. They bombed and sacked the airport every now and again. It took us a matter of days to build. We built communication systems. We spoke to the world and the world spoke to us. If you went to Grigori University in Osaka today, you see the Ogbonigbes that we built. We see the rocket launcher that we built. I can't believe it. If I have data, Bukai, Baride Moine, Nivenet, Jelai, Madam Niburuzi, Tom, Nangotan. Nkisi sipo, even though you want to have big lungs, Neni Lobaya, Omoruza Gaga. Omoro Rewe, Nebuibu. So, sort of trailer Nebuibu, so you choose of that, they choose Nebuibu. Now, Nena Kwana, Onora Mali Vage, I can't even know what that. I registered in primary school 62 years ago. So I was in one. I know why I can't go back arithmetic, geography, Bible knowledge, general knowledge. Of course, I can't. Netherlands, about the 14th largest economy in the world today. But they are now 34,000 square kilometers, half of one state in Nigeria, Niger State. But it receives $100 billion every year from export of vegetable and milk. $100 billion. The whole oil line in Nigeria has never exceeded $70 billion in any 1 year since we discovered oil. If Nigeria is red and and cannot exploit its potentials, it's because of our economic and political structure. Why are we the 6th largest exporter of oil in the world and the great exporter in Africa, but the largest importer of petroleum products in the world? Why is no refinery working in Nigeria? Why are we paying so much for petrol and diesel and kerosene? And our rural dwellers queue up in line just to buy kerosene. Why have we no game reserves in Nigeria? Where are our car companies? Peugeot Automobile is dead. Volkswagen plant is dead. The truck plants are dead. The refineries are dead. Between 2009 and 2011, our bill for subsidy increased 10 times without our cars increasing 10 times. Without our population increasing 10 times. Because of vested interests. Because of an amorphous federal structure that cannot supervise the whole of Nigeria. M.S. Sanusi gave a speech where he told us that he got a managing director of a bank who had stolen $1 billion. And the only investment he made was in properties all over the world. He got another one who has stolen 148 billion naira. And by the time the High Court was going to give judgment, the judge was suddenly promoted to the Court of Appeal, and the case has never shot. This is the Nigeria we live in. Because we have been told everything we should hear today. ambassador man even they make a young woman with ambassador. I be about I just put this so good. I got all over there. I get the comments. I can charm you for if you like about one in a man. All of this. Now, soon, if you get not doing way. I'm talking to society going on like that. Makana, I don't see now some Kehanas, nor about the time. Where shall I not believe any can I do? Or someone they can be well. I mean, your Lulu. No name Otto Kais, they went Otto. Nayamana was fine. Mana was you look at our way over that. We're going to put on that. You were one, now my heart, abroad. Osimu nembiriani kabaka. Nine Jafrosh Latin Gomes. Nine Jafra, I get nine Java flower meaning. Lord the Cachuno, no, never open it again, on a swing. Or the moment. Man was you away, but you ever see if any can do. Or even not about flawed. Osimu nena lori Jesus mo ge ya nchane na ina akota ni na ina alusoka we ni ife ni na bu ife sima na apụta na arụ ana achọrọ sika ya na mmadụ bi awunye ya ọ na-enwe ọ na-eme mkpọtụ anyị nwe iwu ya ogbe ịkọ anya na onye gị sima ọsọ nwere iwe with different people, watch about volcano, lava, oku, a singing out because you need to na the way. You want my room, eventually you room barrel back. What I can do. I know that the buy, BJ, BJ, what does it mean? But many things. If you go see a GG, only take on that. Now, why if you come up and ask a check? Okay, you ever have a check and be a macanas? I come online. What is your humility is a sign of strength. Only could not perform our organization. I am with I am Professor Young. Indeed, I is when we are going to teach. We are going to feed all we figure out saying Janine. I found for the mind to have Jirije. My husband also full Uzo, yes, I chose Goliath 2 times in a generation survived. Goliath made you Goliath. Oh, we have to fight with you. Oh, we have to fight with you. Talk and Diana Farmer, Diana Blue. Go on, no, so second one, they prefer them. Can those on the Atabaka, a house in Diana fire. I can tell you the Diana, I can tell you the number, I can tell you. I get a cafe, I have a mover. You did not say, was not my notice. My, mediocre. Oye, my man, Kimuche, Burundimo, Kabu, Imuche,
Opurobios Igwe Jenga.